Tesserae here, your source for pre-built and custom small form factor PCs. This is the Terra case from Fractal Design. We use this in our Voyager build. Clients love this PC for many reasons. The sleek, modern design makes a statement wherever you put it. This one here is in Jade. It also comes in black and silver. We love how well Fractal designed the packaging. It's easy to unbox, well protected, and sturdy. In fact, we only have to add a little extra padding when we ship your PC fully built. Customize your beautifully unique Voyager build on our website, tesserae.io.